We'll guide you through how to add custom page size in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin the process, launch the Windows Start menu on your computer to access the search and application features available on your system. Next, enter Google Chrome into the search field so the browser can be located quickly. Once it appears in the results, start the Google Chrome browser on your device by clicking on it. After the browser opens, input Google Docs into the address bar and press Enter to proceed. From the search results page, select the official Google Docs website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. When the page loads, ensure you are signed in to view the Google Docs home feed and all available features. At this point, you may start a blank document or pick an existing document example depending on your needs. For this demonstration, we will open a project from recent documents to continue. The document you have chosen will load on your screen and be ready for editing. By default, Google Docs does not have a feature to add custom page size, so we will add an add-on to enable this function. Select the Extensions menu at the top of the document to begin installing the tool. A pop-up menu will appear showing available options. Select Add-ons and an extended pop-up menu will appear. Then select Get Add-ons to continue. A Google Workspace Marketplace menu will appear where you can browse available tools. Click the Search Apps bar and type Page Sizer to locate the needed add-on. Select one from the search result list that matches your needs. Then click Install to begin adding it to your account. Complete the ongoing installation process, and you will return to your document view once finished. After that, click the Extensions menu again to access the newly installed tool. Select Page Sizer. A new extended pop-up menu will appear, then click Start to launch it. A new dialog box will appear on your screen with customization options. Enter the custom width and height you desire for your page layout. Ensure everything is correct, scroll down, and click Apply Page Settings to confirm. Finally, close the dialog box, and your page size has been successfully changed to your custom preference. This adjustment allows you to tailor documents for specific printing, design, or formatting requirements, giving you greater flexibility and control over your final output.